Hiccup Cure. Flip glass. Flip your glass and cure your hiccups in seconds. Drinking water upside down is actually the fastest way to stop them. Most people waste time holding their breath or swallowing spoonfuls of sugar, but science says the real trick is tipping yourself over. When you drink water upside down, you force your body to engage the diaphragm in a totally new way. This sudden change interrupts the muscle spasms that cause hiccups in the first place, essentially pressing a reset button on your breathing rhythm. Instead of sipping from the top of the glass, bend forward at the waist and drink from the opposite rim. It feels strange, but this position makes your diaphragm work against gravity, which is exactly what helps calm it down. Next time hiccups hit, don't bother with old wives' tales, just flip your method, drink upside down, and feel your diaphragm snap back to normal almost instantly.